Hi, thanks for dropping by. In this short video, I am going to be showing us how to play notpixel game. If this is your very first time coming across this game, then you can find the link to join the game in the comment section as well as the description of this video. Now, this is the home page of the notpixel game, and you can make use of the plus and minus controls to zoom in and out of the canvas. Or you can actually use your two fingers. Pinch your two fingers when you want to zoom out of the canvas and spread your two fingers when you want to zoom in into a template on the canvas. So what are templates? Templates are these pictures, random pictures that you can see on the screen. You can see someone having a nice day in the swimming pool here. You can see Bloom logo, that is a template. This is a template. You can see OKEX logo, and you can see all these random images. Your mission here is to repaint each pixel on any template on the screen that you want to repaint. And your limit to how many pixels that you can repaint is based on how many painting energy that you have. If you look at the bottom of my screen, you can see that mine is 7. So how do you paint on a pixel? I just zoomed into my screen. When you zoom into your screen, each tiny square that you see is called a pixel, and what you want to do, your mission is to repaint each pixel and you make it the color that is in the original template that you are painting. So to change the color, you go to the bottom left of your screen, tap on that square and then change into any color of your choice. So you want to make sure that you are painting the exact color that is in the original image that you are repainting. For example, you can see that the base color here is green and I have changed my color into green. To repaint a pixel, simply tap on paint. Now, for every pixel that you paint, you actually earn rewards for it. If you look at the bottom of my screen, you will see a tiny letter popping up each time I tap on paint. You can see 9.5px. That is my reward. You can see that the base color on this part of the template is green. What will happen if you decide to paint a different color aside from green? Let's test it out. So I just changed my color from green to yellow. So I'm going to find another pixel and I'll paint on that pixel. So you can see that when I painted on this pixel into gold, I earned 0px, which means that if you paint a wrong color on a template, you won't earn any reward. Okay, so I'm going to find, I have changed back into green and I am going to find another pixel and then paint on it. And you can see that when I started painting my pixels as green again, I earned 9.5px. Px is the reward that you earn for each interaction that you do here. If you paint the wrong color, you earn 0px. If you paint the right colors, you earn 9.5px or even more or less depending on your base earning. So I have run out of energy, and when I tapped on no energy, you can see all the options here. You can decide to wait for about 8 minutes so that your energy can start restoring itself one after the other. Or you can use boosters or you buy energy with stars. Okay, now if you are not willing to spend your ton or telegram stars into buying energy, you just wait it out. After about 20 minutes, you should have been able to restore all of your energy. So you can also use boosters. Boosters, just like we do in Notcoin and every other game, you can increase your energy limit. Mine is currently 7. So let's say I want to increase my limit from 7 to 8. Okay, I am going to spend 200px. The px is going to be deducted from the balance. You can see your balance at the top of the screen. Now, if you want to increase your recharging speed is how long it takes for your energy level to be restored when you exhaust it. If I want to increase mine from my current level to the next one, I'll spend 100px. And if you want to increase the number of rewards that you earn from painting, you go to paint reward, you tap on it and then increase it. My base paint reward currently is 1.5, and then we have the 8px bonus when you paint on templates, making it 9.5 that I earn on painting. So you can also go to tasks and complete all available tasks. I have done most of the tasks that are here, and only a few are remaining. You can play Jeton games and earn 512 px, and it is a lot of reward because I think you are going to spend money in Jeton games. You can invite friends for more bonuses, you can complete all available tasks. Now, aside the reward that you earn when you paint on pixels, the system also automatically mine PX for you. Okay, so you can simply come here and then tap on the claim button. Although sometimes you can encounter issues and the claim will not work instantly, but anyhow, just come here once in a while and claim what is available so that the system can continue mining for you. Well, you can also create your own template so that people can paint on your template. To do that, you come to the top left of your screen on that image that looks like gallery. However, there is a requirement. You need to have referred up to 64 people before you'll be able to import your own template and have people paint on it. Okay, so now if you go to catalog, you'll see the list of all the available templates that are available currently on notepx. So you can choose any of these templates. Let's say I want to choose this one with a cat image. I just tapped on select template. Now you can see that the template is now showing on my homepage. So what is the essence of choosing it? So let's say that you want to paint on a particular template, but the template is now hidden because people have painted random colors on it and you cannot find it anymore. You simply go to catalog, choose that particular template you want to paint on. Once you select it, the image will be imported on your homepage, and once you tap on that template image on your homepage, the canvas will zoom itself so that you can clearly see that template that you are looking for. Here is the bonus PX that I mentioned earlier. For now, everyone gets extra 8 PX when they paint on a template. And you want to make the most of it because we don't know how long that this bonus is going to be available for. Okay? I have 1 energy at the moment. Now let's test what happens if you decide to not even paint on any template but just a random side of the canvas. So I'm going to zoom into a random side of the canvas where there is no template and we are going to test this. Let's use the bottom part of the canvas. So there are no templates here to paint. So I'm just going to paint on one of the pixels that are here and we'll see what sort of reward I'll earn from this. So I'm going to paint this blue pixel. As you can see, I got 0 px. So whatever it is you are doing here, make sure that you are not wasting your px reward. Paint only on the template and make sure that you paint the base color that you can see on the template that you want to paint. Eventually, I have been able to claim the PX that the system mined for me. To copy your referral link, go to the person icon at the top right of your screen and you are going to copy your referral link from there, share it with friends, and you also earn extra bonuses for referring others to paint in notpixel. Lastly, if you go to the sidebar menu by the left and you tap on My Squad, you'll be able to see your squad history, your squad rank on the leaderboard, how many members they have, how much PX that have been earned in that squad. Well, everybody should join a squad because joining a squad gives you extra reward. I think up to 10% extra reward. Our channel, Airdrop Spot, also have her own squad and you can see the squad username at the top of the screen here, and the username is my Airdrop Spot. So if you are not a member of any squad at the moment, do well to join my Airdrop Spot. That is our squad username. So even if you are playing notpixel already and you want to join Airdrop Spot squad, I'm going to leave the link to join the squad as well in the comment section. So that's pretty much everything about how to play notpixel game. For everyone who have been looking forward to the next update on Movement Testnet, by God's grace, a new video will be out this week on Spartan's Guild. I am done recording the video and once I finish the editing that is required, the video will be out later this week. If you enjoy watching the videos on this channel, make sure to use the subscribe button to stay subscribed so that you won't miss out on any update. Like the video as well, share with friends, comment. Thank you very much for always watching to the very end. I love you all and I'll see you in the next Movement Testnet tutorial.